Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss the tricks to solve NEET questions under the unit S block elements. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. See, under the S block elements, we have two groups, first group and second group. First group is called alkali metals. So what are the chapters you have to study under this? Number one, general characteristic properties like electronic configuration, the periodic properties like size, atomic size, the atomic ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, flame color, etc., etc. So the next is anomalous properties of lithium. Lithium, the first metal element, differs from the other element that you have to study. Then diagonal relationship of lithium with beryllium across the second group. Then under this, important compounds like sodium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate and sodium chloride we have to study preparation, properties and uses. So all these you must study before attending these questions. So here I told you this is alkali metals. So under this here we know hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium is there. There are period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 periods. Except hydrogen, all are metals. Kindly follow. They have general electronic configuration NS1 and valency equal to always 1. Oxidation state is +1. So this you should have in mind. So the next you have to go for the second group, that is alkali earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Under this, general characteristic properties. Anomalous properties of beryllium. Same way, diagonal relationship between beryllium and aluminium. The next group, 13th group. Important compounds under this, calcium oxide, calcium sulfate, that is H2O, cement, a mixture of compound, and calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide. So these are the important compounds we have to study under the second group, alkaline earth metals. Please follow here. What are the elements present there? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So this is starting from second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Because in the first period, only hydrogen and helium, first group and 18th group helium. So in between there is no. So in this case only there are 6 metals are present. Please follow. And this is alkaline earth metals. The first one is alkali metals. That is the main difference. Please follow. You have to study. As usual here, general electronic configuration is NS2. That means beryllium 2s2, magnesium 3s2, calcium 4s2, strontium 5s2, barium 6s2, radium 7s2. The valency is 2, oxidation state is +2. Please follow. So that this is the under the important compound I told you, you have to study calcium oxide. I told you all these compounds you have to study. Okay. So with this, after preparation of this, now we have to enter into questions. The first question, it was asked in the NEET 2016. The question is, the product obtained as a result of reaction of nitrogen with the calcium carbide at high temperature is. So question is, what is the product formed when nitrogen reacts with the calcium carbide? This is the question at high temperature. There are four options. A, calcium cyanide, simple. CaCN, CaCN3, Ca2CN, CaCN2. So these are the different formula they have given. This is actually, you have to only memory. From the memory you have to say, there is no logic, no the problem, everything. Direct question. So, as usual, it is my duty. So this is the question asked under the S block element, specifically alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. Please follow. So let me write the reaction. What is happening here? This is very simple reaction. Please follow. When you treat calcium carbide with nitrogen at high temperature, please follow. What is happening? CaCN2, it is forming. CaCN2, it is forming, and carbon is produced. Please follow. This is the reaction. So this is the product of time. So now actually here there are options here. So where you just find out where is probably D may be the correct answer. So correct answer is D. Please follow. This is a very, very simple direct questions. So normally whenever you are studying the preparation properties, what way you have to study? The first preparation. Coming for the properties, whenever you study, so first you have to study action of non-metals. Please follow. Action of metals. Then action of compound. Under the compounds, so give priority order, first neutral, water. Then acids, compounds. Then bases. Then salts. So this order if you maintain, easy to memorize. Kindly follow. Question number 2. Please follow. So this is the question asked in NEET 2016 again. Which of the following statements is false? Please follow. Which is false? Not correct. A. Calcium 2 plus ions are important for blood clotting. B. Calcium 2 plus ions are not important in maintaining the regular beating of heart. C. Magnesium 2 plus ions are important in the green parts of plants. D. Magnesium 2 plus ions form a complex with ATP. So one of the four statements, it is false. We have to find out. So let me come for the, as usual, let me introduce. So this is asked under the S block element, specifically alkaline earth metal, because question is only for calcium and magnesium, it belongs to second group, so alkaline earth metals. So correct answer is B. So this again a direct questions, so no explanation that is required. Because calcium 2 plus ions are important for blood clotting, correct. Calcium ions are not important in maintaining regular beating of heart. No, it is important. So this is the false statement. Magnesium ions are important in green plants is right. This is right. So statement B is false. It is the correct answer. Please follow. Question number 3. This is the question asked under the NEET 2018. So 16 two questions we have seen, 17 completely omitted, no question is asked. 18. Which of the following oxide is most acidic in nature? Please follow. So oxide means generally basic, normally basic. But instead of that, what they are asking, which is more basic, which is less basic, they are asking which is most acidic. That means less basic will be acidic, more acidic. That is the way. So there are 4 options are given. A, barium oxide. B, that is 2, beryllium oxide. 3, magnesium oxide. 4, calcium oxide. Please follow. So again, the question is asked under the unit S block elements. The subtopic alkaline earth metal, because barium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium all are belongs to second group. So alkaline earth metals. So let me give the explanation now. So when you write the order of these across the group, beryllium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, barium oxide, generally basicity increases. Please follow. Generally, basicity, even if you take a metal, the ionic character increases across the group. So basicity increases. So when basicity increases means basic character high. That means less acidic. So which is less acidic? Actually, we will think of. So barium oxide is less acidic. So which is more acidic? Automatically beryllium oxide is the more acid. Simple. Very, very simple. So only thing is you must know the position of this element and oxide you have to fix. Then you have to compare. So correct answer is beryllium oxide. Please follow. So this is the correct answer. Please follow. So beryllium oxide is most acidic in nature. Actually, you should not ask most acidic. It should be acidic in nature. It is because all are basic. Actually, beryllium oxide is amphoteric. It behaves as a basic as well as acidic. So that way compare. But all the remaining 3, they are only basic. They are not acidic. That is the most important character. So let me go for the question number 4. Please follow. So this is the question asked in 2018. Among calcium hydride, beryllium hydride, barium hydride, the order of ionic character is. Again, the question is very simple. Direct question. Almost question in inorganic chemistry will be direct question alone. Only in physical there is problem. Only in organic there is some logic will be there you have to think of. First, there are 4 options are given. A, B, C, D. So what you have to do, there are 3 given already. So you have to arrange the order according to that. Let me discuss later in the solution. First, let me introduce. This question is asked under S block elements, specifically under subtopic alkaline earth metal. So go for all questions are asked only in second group. First group they have not yet asked one question or even one question. Okay, let me go for this. Now come for explanation. Kindly follow. The correct answer is given. This is the correct answer. Kindly follow. Barium hydride is more ionic than calcium hydride, is more ionic than beryllium hydride. Just take the order. Beryllium second group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So this is, I have told you already in the periodic table, you have to memorize First group, second group, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 group, and among the transition, first turn. These you have to memorize. Only if you memorize, you can do any a number of questions in inorganic chemistry. Entire inorganic chemistry you can answer based on that. Okay, so the across the period, when you compare the comparison of properties, you can come here. So ionic character increases here. Ionic character increases across the group. That means this is generally covalent. Generally covalent, first member, that is a unique property, anomalous property. So when you move down, ionic character increases. So automatically just see what are the here given. Barium is given in the form of hydride. Calcium is given in the form of hydride. Beryllium is given in the form of hydride. So automatically barium hydride is more ionic than calcium hydride, more ionic than beryllium hydride. So this you have to predict. Just compare where it is. Only in C it is there. Barium hydride greater than calcium hydride greater than beryllium hydride. See, very, very easy. Very, very easy. You can answer the questions. Please follow. The next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is an amphoteric oxide? Please follow. A. Magnesium hydroxide, beryllium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Please follow. So, it is my duty, I have to mention again. This question was asked under S block element. Again, alkaline earth metal. So far, no alkali metals question was not asked. So any examiner, when it is asking a question, you should be uniform. So they have to asking question means one question from S block, one from the alkali metal, one from alkaline earth metal. Minimum they have to ask. So they have not followed the technique. Anyhow, it is my duty, I have to indicate. Okay. Now let me come for the explanation. Please follow. They are saying amphoteric hydroxide. Which of the following is amphoteric hydroxide? So what are these given? Kindly follow. They have given magnesium, beryllium, strontium, calcium. So first again you arrange the order now. You know the order. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. The two that is. So here, which of the following they have asked? So among this we have discussed, kindly follow. The beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature. It is having a dual character. Since it can be react both with acid and base. It is having dual character. Whereas when you go for below, they are mainly ionic in nature. This is covalent in nature. So let me explain this dual character. Dual means amphoteric means hydroxide means behave as an acid as a base. So when you just take here beryllium hydroxide, I am treating with acid, so it is acting as a base with S here. Please follow. What is the product? Beryllium dichloride, 2H2O. So that means in this reaction, beryllium hydroxide is acting as the corresponding base. You take now, treat with the sodium hydroxide also. Sodium hydroxide we know is a strong base. When you treat with beryllium hydroxide, it is forming a complex Na2BeOH4. That means it is reacting. That means sodium hydroxide base means definitely this should be an acid because a salt is forming. Sodium salt of the beryllium hydroxide is forming. So salt means definitely this should be an acid. So beryllium hydroxide is behaving as both an acid and a base. So it is amphortary. Please follow. So you compare, now come for the answer here. Among the four, correct answer is beryllium hydroxide. My dear students, this is the question asked in 2019. Okay, question number 6. The NEET question asked in 2019. This is the interesting question, kindly follow. So, magnesium, again it is the second group. Magnesium reacts with an element X to form an ionic compound. If the ground state of electronic configuration of X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, the simplest formula for this compound is, this is the question. So this is actually a problem like, you have to think. So far all questions without thinking from the memory we have to, logic thing. So option A, mx2, mg2x, B, mgx2, C, mg2x3, D, mg3x2. Let me go for, as usual, it is the question again asked under S block elements, specifically alkaline earth metal. Kindly follow. So far we are seeing 6 questions. All the 6 questions only from alkaline earth metal they are asked. They have completely omitted S block elements. Kindly follow. Now, let me go for the solution. Answer for this one. Say what is happening, kindly follow. Suppose if it is X, kindly follow, M plus X equal to mx2. So I should not, mx means the small x I am putting. It is indicating the valency of X. Kindly follow. Magnesium, we know the valency 2, so I am writing 2 here. So what is the general formula? M here, Mg. Then this is the X. Both they are combining. What is the rule? Valency, this is 2. This I have no idea. This is X I am putting. So by cross, this is the simple. Nights you have studied here. So what will happen now? Write Mx, then you have to write X to 2. So this is the formula we have to form. Kindly follow. This is the formula it has to form. But additionally what they are giving, X they are given electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It is 2p3. So the second period you must know the elements. Then only you have to think. Just see what is the second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So this is 2s1, 2s2, the second period. Then 2s2, 2p1, s2p2, s2p3, s2p4, s2p5, s2p6. So 2s2, 2p, here 2s, kindly follow. This is the second period, 2s1, 2s2, beryllium, boron 2s2, 2p1, carbon 2s2, 2p2, nitrogen 2s2, 2p3, this is oxygen 2s2, 2p4, fluorine 2s2, 2p5, neon 2s2, 2p6. Then what is they have given? Kindly follow. 2s2, 2p3 it is given. So it is nothing but nitrogen. So we have identified the element now. So now the easy. So the element is nitrogen. We have identified. So the valence of nitrogen automatically we can fix it is 3. So how to identify the valence also? Let me give a short tricks. Please follow. The tricks is, this is 1 valency, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 valency. After this, it is decreasing order. 3, 2, 1, 0. Please memorize. This is the valency regarding. So automatically nitrogen valency is 3 common. The common valency. So in terms of oxidation state, +1, +2, +3, +4. when you come this side, it is, I can say, -3, -2, -1, 0. This is the oxidation state. So what we have easily identified now, two things we have identified. So we have identified from the electronic configuration, nitrogen is the element. So the product now will be magnesium and nitrogen. Magnesium valency 2, nitrogen valency 3. Just cross it. The product will be Mg3N2. This is the product form. See here, Mg3N2 is the correct formula. So now see the option and find out the correct. So among this, so D is the correct formula. Mg3X2. Please follow. They are writing Mg3X2. So X2 means nothing but nitrogen. Very, very simple, but you must understand the electronic configuration. Otherwise, if you are not able to identify nitrogen is the element, then you cannot write the formula. Please follow. So, question number 7. Kindly follow. This is asked in 2020. Please follow. Hydrogen chloride gas was passed through a solution of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and sodium chloride. Which of the following compound crystallize? A. Only magnesium chloride. B. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Both magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Only sodium chloride. Kindly follow. Here only, just simply they are adding sodium chloride. So it's a combination of first group and second group. Okay, let me come. My duty, I have to indicate this is the question asked in the S block elements. And it's the combination of alkali metals. I am saying alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals. It is the combination of both. Because sodium chloride coming in the alkali, magnesium and calcium coming in the alkaline earth. Please follow. So let me come for the explanation. Please follow. The correct answer given is only sodium chloride. So how to understand this one? Kindly follow. So we are passing HCl gas through a solution of calcium chloride. If you take calcium chloride, it is ionic. So it will ionize in the form of calcium 2 plus 2Cl minus. The same way, you take corresponding magnesium chloride. So again magnesium 2 plus 2Cl minus. Cl minus. Then additionally sodium chloride. You take again sodium plus and Cl minus. So this is the equation. So when you dissolve in water solution, kindly follow, that is meaning means solution of calcium chloride means that is put it in water. And we are passing HCl gas. Please follow. When we are passing HCl gas in common factor, suppose this, when you pass this, what will happen? This is coming under the solubility and solubility product. The common factor is Cl. So when you are increasing, that is assuming there is an equilibrium between this, but anyhow this is a strong and the magnesium chloride is partially ionic. So if you take this is 2Cl, here it is 2Cl, here is only 1Cl. So when you pass HCl, which will require only small quantity of chloride ion required, so that the equilibrium will be shifted towards left side. That means the precipitation will take place. Equilibrium shifted means sodium chloride will be separated or magnesium chloride will be separated, calcium chloride. For which case chlorine is less amount required. Only in the case of sodium chloride, it is only 1 mole. So minimum amount of HCl itself, the first solid coming out will be sodium chloride. So only sodium chloride is coming out as solid in this question. Please follow. Question number 8 asked in 2021. Kindly follow. Among the alkaline earth metals, halides, one of which is covalent and soluble in organic solvent. Among the following alkaline earth metal halides, one which is covalent and soluble in organic solvent is A, calcium chloride, strontium chloride, magnesium chloride, beryllium chloride. Unfortunately, again question only in alkaline earth metal. Okay, let me go for, as it's my duty, it is asked under the S block element unit, specifically under alkaline earth metal, second group. Please follow. So now we have to come for the question. Kindly follow what is cost. Among the alkaline earth metals, they have given 4. So first you bring the order. Beryllium, that is chloride. Beryllium, magnesium, chloride. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Kindly follow. Among these, you will let me tick only the included calcium chloride is in the question. Strontium chloride is in the question. Magnesium is in the question. Beryllium. So first 4 they are omitting barium. So barium is not coming in the category. So among the 4, question is which is more covalent? Answer is very simple. Let me explain now. Kindly follow. So answer is beryllium chloride. So let me explain why. Because when you take beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium, we have studied, when we are studying the general property, generally ionic character increases. Ionic character increases across the group. Always the first member will be covalent in character. This is covalent. So when you move down, ionic character increases. That means less covalent, that is less ionic is beryllium, nothing but covalent. That's why beryllium behaves as an amphoterary compound. Kindly follow. We have seen many times. All these compounds are behaving as an amphoterary. So, beryllium chloride is the alkaline earth metal which is covalent and soluble in organic solvent. Because covalent molecule will be soluble in organic solvent. Ionic will be soluble in water. Please follow. So, this is the correct answer is beryllium chloride. So, I have come to the conclusion, my dear students. So, thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have given so far. If you are the first time you are seeing my video, that is NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G channel in YouTube, I request you kindly press a like button and press subscribe button. Also, share this information with your friends. So let them also enjoy. So I have to tell you one important information why I have started this channel some 2 months before. 2 months before. The reason is for the last 2 years because of the corona, without going outside, we are sitting simply in the house seeing TV. That's all. So I wanted to use this time, 2-year time, to utilize to help poor students of India, specifically chemistry students. So why can't we start a channel and give all information regarding the starting from 8th standard to 12th standard students. Then I have started collecting all informations, syllabus from all. So I have covered the syllabus starting from IIT, then CBSE, then Samachir, then ISC and BSc syllabus. Even including MSET Andhra syllabus also I am taking. So everything I combined and then I have framed my own syllabus. This is actually, you can say, a combined syllabus. So if you look in my syllabus, nobody find fault. Nobody will tell to me, no question was asked out of syllabus. So such a way I framed. So this is only for poor students of India. Most of the family are, 80% of the family in India are poor family. So you need not pay not even a single paise. So you can use as a tuition for chemistry. So especially poor students. This is so here I have not only discussed the theory, but also the questions I am discussing. What way? Unit wise. This is the interesting. So this is suitable for all. Kindly follow. +1 you can use, +2 you can use. Suppose if I am discussing the entire question, all question from all unit, it may not be suitable. For +1 they cannot go for the second year portion. Kindly follow. Second years they have forgotten first year portion. So I am going systematically. Okay. So unit wise I am asking. Please follow. That is regarding for. Please share this information with your friends. So let them also get benefited. But I can give you guarantee. If you follow systematically my channel, so I am going to discuss questions not only NEET. After completing NEET, I will take minimum 2 months to complete NEET questions. Then I am going to next IIT. The next I am going to AIMS. I am going to take MSET Andhra and then AFMT. So these 5 questions I am planning. So almost I need minimum 1 year. So I am going to add this video, going to add videos for 1 year. But if you follow systematically, only from this question will be asked. No question will be asked outside from this. Either same question or similar question. Okay, so it lies. So if you follow strictly, you can get 100 out of 100 marks in board, not only in board. When you go for NEET entrance examination, you will get 180 out of 180 you will get. I can give guarantee. Okay, I will come the other side. That is students who are studying +1, +2 and +2 completed student. For you, I am having a good news. That is, we are running a coaching center in Pondicherry near bus stand, Vetri Coaching Center for the last 20 years. So, in this Vetri Coaching Center, and we have a site Vetri Daughters. And in the Vetri Daughters, you can see all our achievements starting from 1999 up to 2021. You can see the achievements in terms of everything, evidence, photograph in the home page. The one of the most important achievement is in 2003, one of our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan gave All India first rank in JIPMER entrance examination. At that time, JIPMER was conducting separately entrance examination. AIMS was conducting separately like that. Vellore was conducting separately like that. So, the students have to write all the examination is very, very difficult. So, Government of India is wisely done a good job. They have bring all the things together under the heading of NEET. So, they need not write different examination. So, they can write only one examination so that they will take according to the merit marks, they can allot seat. This is a very important scheme. I am appreciating the government. Okay. Then another important thing is the second achievement. If you go our home page, you can see for the last 21 years, except 1 or 2 years, most of the year, our student got Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank. That shows the achievement or the credit of our coaching center. Number third one, every year you can see the photograph. Every year 10 to 20 students are joining JIPMER through our coaching center. 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges through government quota by merit. And few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students joining other engineering colleges. Please follow. So this is the achievement. Now let me come for the important future of ventilators. Suppose if you want to join ventilators again, kindly follow. We are giving at the lowest rate so that all poor students should enjoy this, should get benefit. Only 10,000 rupees per year we are charging. Per year 10,000. Please follow. Other onlines, they are collecting in lakhs. 1 lakh, 1.5, 2 lakhs like that. So we are collecting only 10,000 rupees, low cost. Please follow. So let me explain what are the advantage if you join with us, ventilators. Number one, we have 200 video lessons. All the video lessons were taken by eminent college professors with Dr.R.G degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in teaching NEET and medical and engineering IIT coaching. Also, they are teaching BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD. So, if you view the lesson, you can feel classroom teaching. Direct, kindly follow. The number two, another advantage of the video lesson is full of abstract notes in the form of notes. So you have seen here. If you see my video, you must have understood that one. All the video of theory. So whatever we want information, just you touch that video, stop like YouTube, and take notes, and again touch it will move. Please follow. So you can be able to take notes. It is an important feature of our online educators. The second important thing is, kindly follow, we have 200 unit tests. Please follow. So for example, in chemistry, there are 30 units. See, and the NEET syllabus also it is there, 30 units, 14 plus 16, 30 units. First year 14, second year 16. Kindly follow. And when you go these units, so each unit we are having two tests. Test 1, test 2. Here unit of, so for example, S block element 1, S block element 2 will be 2 tests. So each will be having 45 questions. Please follow. Suppose you want to attend test 1. What is the advantage we are having in this, which is different from other online coaching? This is a very systematic order. It is very, very useful to you also. So, when you go for the test menu, open the, first you have to go for Chrome, type ventilators, our site will open, then register and log in. And if you are joining by paying, then we will give the secret code number. Then only with that you have to open. Then go to the subject, physics, chemistry, click test. So go to the S block elements, then click that test. There is a button will be there, menu will be there, attempt. Click attempt. Immediately a window will open. In the window, there are informations. What is there? This unit contains 45 questions, duration 45 minutes. Each question carries 4 marks. One of the options is correct. After 4 options, one is correct. For correct answer, 4 marks awarded. For wrong answer, -1 awarded. This information is given. Are you ready? It will ask. Then, if you want to attend, then click OK and then take notebook, rough notebook and pen to work out the problems, questions. Then when you click, then immediately a window will open. In the window you can see question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D. Then there is a clock will be running from 45 to 45 minutes going down. And then there are 3 menus, kindly follow. Center is complete, right side next, this is reverse, kindly follow. And below that there is again a window 1 to 45, number will be there, in yellow color. Please follow. All these information facility you cannot see in any online in India. Only in the NEET Veggie Doctors is having. What is the advantage of giving all this information? So you can adjust the time. According to that, you can answer. Kindly follow. Suppose if you are reading all the options for the questions and you observe A is the correct answer, put a tick mark. When you put a tick mark, what will happen? Immediately, just see number 1 in 1 to 45 will become green color. Number 2 will become blue color. All other will be in yellow color. So, very, very interesting. That means what question you have attended, you can see directly. Suppose you are having, if you are going for all the NEET examination, there are 200 questions will be there. So even there, this profession will not be there. Because a direct question in only with the paper you are going to write. So what here, after 20 minutes in this online, after 20 minutes, you can see directly how many greens, how many numbers are green, how many yellow, we can see directly. What are the questions not attended, you can see. And also time you can see. So based on that time, you can adjust. This facility is not available because, so this is the time adjusting. So this is giving training for you to improve your quality. And also after completing all the 45 questions, press complete, immediately you will get the marks. The software will put for correct one 4 marks, wrong answer -1. It will give marks. So for example, let us assume you are getting 140 out of 180 in this S block element. What is the idea, meaning of this one? So 40 marks you are losing. What way 40 marks? 40 means for the 4 divided by 4, 10 questions. So 10 questions you are missing, or some wrong answer will be there, some other also will be there. So not necessarily will be always 140. It may be even number or odd number, depending upon the question you have answered. So I am assuming 140. So you want to verify where you have done mistake, where you have done correctly. So this facility is available in Vegetatus. But other online coaching center collecting in lakhs, this facility is not there. So let me explain that. What is that? So there is a menu called review. Next to the mark, you can see that. Press review, a window will open. In the window, question 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D is there. Then below option D, there is correct answer will be given. It may be A, it may be B, it may be C, it may be D. Whatever correct, that answer is given in yellow color. And below that, there is a video solution. Please follow. This is another feature other online coaching is not having. Just see here, what is the important information? You have answered A is the first question, you have answered A. So A will be in blue color. Then correct answer in yellow color. Just compare. Both answers are correct, your answer is correct. If both answers are wrong, it's not coinciding, your answer is wrong. See, easy. So you can assess yourself. Each question you can assess which question you have done mistake, which question you have done correctly. This self-assessment is not available in other online coaching. And also, suppose you are not knowing the answer. So what you have to do? If you go other online coaching, they will give one line, simple option A, option B, like that they will give, or you have 2 lines, 1 or 2 lines, typed matter will be given. So ours is entirely different. Professor will just take class like classroom in the video solution. You click video solution. So what way I have discussed question, you just now have seen the same way. Sir will be standing on the board. In the board you can see the questions, you see the options, he will read, he will tell what topic it is asked, then he will start explaining the reason, everything systematically. So if you follow this systematic way, you can learn more and more technique. Short routes we will teach you. So I will teach short route. In the case of chemistry, I will teach short routes, techniques. So you can improve your quality. So in chemistry alone, I have 60 units. I am having the test, unit test. Please follow. So this is the important feature. So if you want to join, only pay the 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director Vetri Coaching Center, through Indian Bank, the account number 712719471, IFSC code IDIB 000P134. Any query or any information you want to contact me, cell number 98941764225. It's also WhatsApp number. Please join and get benefit. So best of luck. Thank you very much, my dear student. I will see you again in the next topic. Bye-bye.